Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika, the channel where we make content about making money online as a creative person, as an artist. In today's video, I'm gonna be talking about the CASETIFY because I think many months back I made a video talking about one secret website where you can sell your work on the different products. That was the CASETIFY. I'm gonna leave that video in the card section above if you haven't checked it so far. But in that video, I was talking a lot about the CASETIFY, and after that video, I got a lot of the comments from you guys asking about the CASETIFY, how it actually work. Have you ever applied on this platform? Are you selling on this platform? So I get a lot of questions from you guys. So here I am. It's kind of like an update on CASETIFY platform with my own personal experience. Is it really worth it or it's not what it is? So I'm gonna be talking about it. So updates. So without further ado, let's get straight with that. Before go back, consider clicking the like button, guys. I do appreciate that. If you want more such video in future, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. Whenever I'm gonna upload new videos, you're gonna get notified about it. Also, we have a lot of free resources to help you make more money. The links are in description box below. You can very well check it out. You can very well support me and my channel on the Patreon. The links are in also description box below. You're gonna get early access to my YouTube videos and ad-free videos. Plus, you're gonna get keyword ideas, niche ideas, and a lot more is there in my Patreon. The link is in description box below. Without further ado, let's talk about today's topic. Now, related to the CASETIFY is basically a print-on-demand platform. Those of you guys who are not really aware of that, where you can place your artwork on the different stuff. Like mostly they sell the mobile cases and the electronic items. They do have a different product as well, but they are more specifically famous for the mobile cases, the phone cases. So you can place your work on that, and they're gonna print on that. They're gonna print your work on that particular product, and when someone purchases it, we're going to ship it to the customer on your behalf, and you're gonna receive a commission. So that it's basically about the CASETIFY, but I want to share my own personal experience with the CASETIFY, and also I'm gonna be answering those questions which I got a lot from you guys. Now, first thing first, come guys. When I was making that video, I wasn't having any experience with the CASETIFY because I tend to talk a lot about this on this particular channel, talking about the different ways in which you can make money online, and that's the purpose of this YouTube channel. That's the purpose of my particular brand about the global artist, to help the artist and creative people, designer, to make money online and to let them introduce the different new ways. So that was the one new way at that time, was a CASETIFY. I wasn't having any personal experience at that time. So after getting the comments from you guys about my own personal experience, I very well contacted the CASETIFY. Now, to open up a shop on the CASETIFY and to sell your work, you need to actually get an approval. It's not open for everyone, just like Redbubble or Teepublic. So there is like one link on that particular website where you just go over there. You can actually click over that link. It's kind of like a form where you kind of like submit your own portfolio link. So I personally did that. I personally did all that stuff and sent my own portfolio link and emailed them. I waited for 10 days, 15 days, 20 days, a month or so, but I didn't hear back from them. I don't know why I didn't hear back from them. Maybe they are not accepting any new designers or artists on their platform, or maybe they feel like my work is not relevant to their platform. Again, I could be wrong over here, but my experience with the CASETIFY is like, I can say it's kind of like uncertain stuff. I'm not sure whether anyone is selling on that platform or not. If you are someone who is selling on the CASETIFY and you have an experience on that, let me know in the comment section below, because it will going to help me as well and other people as well, because we are looking forward to know more about the CASETIFY. And since I wasn't having that much of the experience on that, so I give it a shot. I waited for a month, more than a month. I again contacted them back, follow-up email just to see whether they replied to me or not, but they didn't reply to me. I don't know why they didn't reply. But then I was like, I need to do a little bit more research to actually see that whether they are open to new designers or not. One article on the Google which came across related to CASETIFY, one artist, one creative people was selling on the CASETIFY, but it was a very old article. I think it was around 2014 or 15 or 16. I could be wrong over here, but that was really an old article, and that person was sharing the tips on how to actually make money and sell on the CASETIFY. And there was a link in that blog article which you can simply click on that link and you can go to the CASETIFY platform for submitting your application, and then you can get the approval if they see that your work is relevant to the platform. But I didn't get an approval. In fact, I didn't even got a reply back from the CASETIFY. so I'm not sure what's happening. But that was the article I saw on the Google related to the Casetify about selling on that. That was a kind of like a relevant to specific that artist who was selling on the platform. I think it was around 4 or 5 years back. It was a pretty old article. Recently, I don't know whether it's working or not. So that was the only one article I came across on the internet. I don't find much of the resources about the Casetify or the people selling on the Casetify. Is it really possible, or they are open to new designers or not, or what's the stuff? I'm not really sure about that. So I'm going to leave the link of that blog article if you're interested in knowing more about that blog article. What does it contain in the description box below? You can very well check it out, but I don't find much of the resources apart from that blog article. Rest is a history. So that's what I can say, guys. If you're looking forward to sell on the Casetify, maybe send them an email with your portfolio link and maybe wait for a few days if they reply to you or not. If they don't, then probably send them a follow-up email to see if they reply or not. Maybe they would be open to only very specific designers, maybe very specific artists, the kind of work they are looking for, or maybe they are not open. I'm not sure, but that's my experience. So for those of you guys who were asking me to make a tutorial on the Casetify, since I don't have any experience in selling on the Casetify, I did try to contact them, send my portfolio link once and twice. It's more than a month or so, but I didn't hear from them. So I can't make any tutorial because I didn't got any reply and I'm not selling on that platform. So sorry to say that I can't actually do that which you requested for. I'm sorry. But that's my experience with the Casetify. Now, what's the conclusion? So I'm just gonna conclude up with this particular thing, guys. What I can say to you guys, the purpose of this particular channel and the purpose of this Globo Arte brand is all about introducing you to the new different avenues in which you can make money online as an artist, as a creative people. Of course, some of the platform would be accessible to you and you are open to sell on them, and some of them are not. And also from my own experience as well, I tried many different platforms in this 2-year journey of my own online business. Some platform I did get accepted, some I didn't. So when I didn't get accepted, I just simply move on and try something new and just keep on adding the new stuffs and see which fits in my box and which doesn't fit. So that's what you have to do with the content. You have to see that whether this particular platform is for you or not, whether you got any reply, whether you are accepted or not. If not, then just move on and check other platform. That's what you can do. And regarding the Casetify, I'm not sure what's happening on their platform. I tried to contact their customer care services as well, but I didn't get any reply from them, and I didn't see much of the resources on the internet or something or the other to talk more about it. So that's my review. So if you are selling on Casetify and you have an experience, let me know in the comment section below. And if you are interested in selling on that, then maybe give it a try, give it a shot. Send them an email with your portfolio link, see whether they reply to you or not. If they don't, then what I can say is simply to move on, or maybe send them in a follow-up email to see whether if they reply to your second email or not. If not, then the only option left is to actually move on and try some new other platforms. So this is the updates on the Casetify. This question, I think, few weeks back. So it took me a little bit more time because I was doing a research on this particular platform to know what to make a video on, what to say in the video. So that's what I find a blog article. I'm gonna leave the links in the description box below if you're interested in checking it out. But that's what my experience, and that's what I can say. I'm not selling on that, and I'm not looking forward to sell on that because I didn't get any reply back, and I don't see to waste my time on a platform which is not replying me back, which has a not that good customer service. So I'm not looking forward to work on them. Instead, I would try to work with those platforms, with those marketplaces which are pretty good with the designers, which are more open and they have a good customer care. So hopefully you're gonna find this video useful. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's tutorial or today's video. Till then, take care. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye, guys.